Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your WebinarFuel account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your WebinarFuel API key? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need your WebinarFuel API key anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that when you are integrating various softwares, sometimes they require an API key. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your WebinarFuel dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my WebinarFuel, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you need your WebinarFuel API key, up here on the top menu, you're going to click on Settings. It looks like a gear icon. All right, once you do that, you're going to see another menu here in gray, and you're going to click on API. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see your API key. So this API key is for the Embed API section, and this is just for the API section. And all you're going to do is click Generate New Key. If you do that, make sure that you have already noted all of the other softwares that are using this API, because once you generate a new one, this one is no longer going to work. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to get your WebinarFuel API key, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.